Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Alieemo car OBD2 scanner code reader. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. This practical, multifunctional OBD2 scanner can comprehensively diagnose vehicle data. It can help you determine the cause of the engine light. Read codes, erase codes, view freeze frames, check I/M readiness, access vehicle information, monitor data streams, view real-time curves, retrieve vehicle speed information, calculate load values, monitor engine coolant temperature, and obtain engine RPM. The OBD2 diagnostic tool is extremely easy to use. Simply plug it into the vehicle's OBD port and turn on the ignition to identify and repair issues with the engine system. Its compact size of 6.10 x 3.34 inches makes it easy to hold with one hand and fits into any toolbox or pocket without taking up much space. The car diagnostic scanner has 6 buttons: up/down scroll, enter/exit, and quick lookup for VIN and DTC fault codes. No additional apps are needed, and even beginners can quickly identify and fix vehicle issues. The OBD2 diagnostic tool features a compact size of 6.10 x 3.34 inches, making it easy to hold with one hand. It can fit into any toolbox or pocket without taking up too much space. It features a 2.8-inch large LCD screen with a clear display design. No batteries or chargers are required. The OBD reader draws power directly from your vehicle via the OBD2 data link connector. Plug the OBD2 scanner into your vehicle's OBD2 port, turn on the ignition switch, then press the OK button to connect. To view real-time data, start the engine. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.